Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Prezioso with Balance Foot and Ankle, and I'm here today with
Dr. Charles Hastings with Balance Foot and Ankle.
one of the things that people ask us is, as podiatrists, as foot and ankle specialists, what are the most common things that people come in to see us?
I'd say by far, two complaints. Plantar fasciitis and athletic overuse syndromes, especially as we've been coming out of the pandemic. People didn't go to work, they worked from home, they had other priorities, gyms were closed. Now that they're getting back to life, they're falling into these athletic overuse syndromes, even if they claim, I'm not an athlete, what are you talking about?
Right.
It's still 15,000 cycles per day, and a 10-pound weight gain is up to 120 pounds of extra force per step. It's a lot to ask of your foot.
One of the things we see in the patient population that works in the service industry is people who maybe aren't working 9 to 5s. We have 5 locations across Northeast Ohio. We have 8 physicians on staff. So we do try to be as accommodating as possible.
There's no cookie cutter service here. When you meet one of our physicians, we'll take the time, we'll sit down, we'll listen to your story, learn who you are, and then come out with a custom plan to get you back to life and forget all about your foot issues.
If you do find yourself in a situation where you have a nagging pain, any bruising, anything that really seems abnormal that's maybe exacerbated with being on your feet for an extended period of time, don't hesitate to call us.
I would even argue, just nip it in the bud even before it's a thing.
Yes.
Worst case scenario, you're perfect, don't ever see us again, right?
Well, we really want to see you again.
We want you back to 100% regardless.